Beyond the familiar crustaceans on your plate lies a hidden world of bizarre, powerful, and utterly strange shrimp. Prepare to meet the weirdest members of the family. First, the mantis shrimp, a living rainbow with a killer punch. Its clubs accelerate faster than a bullet, smashing shells with incredible force. And its eyes? They perceive a world invisible to us. Next, the pistol shrimp, the gunslinger of the sea. By snapping its oversized claw, it creates a bubble that collapses with a deafening crack, reaching temperatures as hot as the sun's surface and stunning prey with the shockwave. Meet the harlequin shrimp, a flamboyant predator with a taste for the dramatic. Dressed in vibrant spots, these hunters work in pairs to flip and devour starfish, their only prey in a slow, methodical feast. Not all are hunters. The tiny emperor shrimp is a royal traveler. It hitches a ride on larger sea creatures, living a life of mobile luxury, cleaning its host in exchange for transport and protection. Finally, the eerie skeleton shrimp. With its slender, stick-like body, it's more ghost than shrimp. Clinging to flora, it sways in the current, a master of camouflage, ambushing any unlucky creature that drifts too close. From living weapons to flamboyant assassins and ghostly mimics, the world of shrimp is far stranger than you ever imagined, a universe of marvels hiding just beneath the waves.